Craven. I'm a master gardener and I have my certification in permaculture design. I want to share some tips with you on how to use a weed block in your landscape. So typically people want to use some kind of a weed block, and this either can be a cloth or it can be something like this, just as simple as cardboard, and put it down below something else. Oftentimes this is rocks, it can be sand, it can be gravel, pea gravel. Another popular application is mulch. All of these help keep weeds down. And why people want to do this is, say for example they have some plants and they don't want to be pulling up weeds in between them. Make certain that in the areas you want to use the weed block cloth that you have the shiny side up, and that if you have areas in between the cloth because the cloth isn't wide enough for that particular area, you want to make sure you overlap the cloth so you don't have any areas where there's no cloth. I actually prefer to use cardboard. It's a lot less expensive. It also breaks down. It allows water to go down and nutrients to go down into the soil. So it just depends on what you want to cover it up with, just the look you're looking for. If you like pea gravel, if you like rocks, if you like mulch, all of these can be used to cover up the ground so that you have fewer weeds in your yard.